Hello, hi, this is Leo from BONJOUR SOLAR. And today I'm going to introduce you our customization caplet system. So you can see here we have a caplet, and then we have three pieces, 5 kilowatt inverter. We have a battery, we have all breakers or cable or installation. I will show you step by step of our caplet installation. Of course, we can make the customization according to your needs, because of different base station, different solar station, different power station. They have they need different size, different cabinet, and the different power, different capacity of the battery. So we can do whatever you want. Okay, so now you can see we have 3 inverters because we have the cabinet like this. So we put the both inverter in both sides, 2 inverter in both sides. If we have a rider cabinet, we will put 3 5 kilowatt inverter in parallel. So we can see why now. Okay, we can see this one here. This one here is the first one, the first inverter. This one, we put the second inverter. And then we have the final one, the third inverter here. So we have a 3 pieces inverter. We put it number 1, 2, 3. And then you can see here, this is the first branch of the air breaker. This one we put this air breaker. We put the AC input. So this one we use the 63 amp AC for the AC total input here. We can connect the AC in like the light and the L9 here, N9 here. And then they are parallel. We use the parallel bus bars downstairs. So once we push this one on, we will parallel and separate 3 pieces, 20 amp AC output. 20 amp, you can see here, 20 amp, 20 amp, 20 amp. 3 pieces, 20 amp output. And each one is with the L and the N9 to the first inverter, second inverter, the third inverter. That means number 1, number 2 inverter, number 3 inverter. This is for the AC input. And then you can see this one. This is also another 63 amp breaker. Here, this one is for the AC output from the inverter. You can see there are this one is for the AC output, number 1 inverter, AC output for number 2 inverter, AC output for the number 3 inverter. And this one is the total because we also make a parallel bus bars downstairs. So it depends on you need 3 phases or you need single phase output. If you need 3 phases output, so this one, we no need the bus bars, this one. So this one will be phase 1, this one will be phase 2, this one will be phase 3. If you need single phase output, we need to parallel all output to here, and then we connect L here and the N here for the single phase output together. So this is the AC output. And downstairs, the second range is for the PV input, solar panel input. You can see we have a 3 set. This is for number 1 inverter, number 2 inverter, number 3 inverter. And then each set, you can see we have a positive. We can connect the positive from the solar panel here. This one, actually, we have a fuse inside. You can see the fuse inside is maximum 16 amp. That means that we can connect with the big solar panel like 550 watt. So this is the first protection for the positive. And then for the negative also, we have the fuse like this. So positive in here, positive, negative in here. And this is the 16 amp breaker. So we can, DC breaker, we can turn it on or turn it off. We have still SPD surge arrestor to protect the PV input. So each set PV input protection, we have 2 fuse, 1 breaker, and 1 SPD. Each one like this. Okay, this is for PV input. And then for the DC battery input, we make 2 bus bars. The bus bars is very important to parallel the inverter. So you can see here, I will show you. This one is the negative. This one is the positive. I'm sorry, this one is negative. This one is positive. We use the red color for the positive and the black color for the negative. So you can see here, we have a 3 red line outside. Is to connect number 1 inverter, number 2 inverter, number 3 inverter. For the negative also, number 1 inverter, number 2 inverter, number 3 inverter. And then for this one, this is to connect the breaker between the positive breaker for the lithium battery. So we have a bigger, stronger cable here. So that means this one we connect the cable to the positive of the lithium battery. Here is the same. We connect the negative cable to the battery. And then you can see here, we have a fuse. This is the cable from the BONJOUR SOLAR lithium battery. All the cable from BONJOUR SOLAR lithium battery, we have a fuse to double protection. This is a fuse from the negative. From the positive, we have also fuse from the cable, power cable of the lithium battery. Okay, so these two are for the battery connection. So this is the whole set installation of the 3 phases of the parallel inverter tablet. We are going to show you in next video how to make the setting, how to make the connection of the 3 inverter in parallel. That will be and the communication between the inverter and the lithium battery. We will show you more details in next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.